Pectin is a complex carbohydrate, specifically a type of soluble fiber, found in the cell walls of various fruits and vegetables. It is most commonly associated with fruits like apples, citrus fruits, strawberries, and plums. Pectin has unique properties that make it widely used in the food industry, particularly for its gelling and thickening abilities. Here are some key points about pectin in general. Structure and function. Pectin consists of a complex arrangement of polysaccharides, including primarily homogalacturonin, rhamnogalacturonin I, and rhamnogalacturonin II. These compounds give pectin its gel-forming properties. Pectin acts as a natural cementing material, holding plant cells together and providing structural support. Gelling agent. Pectin is commonly used as a gelling agent in food products such as jams, jellies, and fruit preserves. When heated with sugar and acid, pectin forms a gel-like substance that gives these products their characteristic texture and enables them to set. Thickening agent. Pectin can also act as a thickening agent, providing viscosity and stability to various food formulations. It is often used in sauces, dressings, and baked goods to improve texture and consistency. Dietary fiber. Pectin is a soluble fiber, meaning it dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance in the digestive system. As a dietary fiber, pectin adds bulk to the stool, promotes regular bowel movements, and can help alleviate constipation. Health benefits. Consuming pectin-rich foods or pectin supplements may offer several potential health benefits. These include improved digestion, cholesterol management, blood sugar regulation, weight management, and potential immune support. Pectin's ability to bind to toxins and heavy metals also suggests potential detoxification benefits. Commercial production. Pectin used in the food industry is often commercially extracted from natural sources, such as citrus peels or apple pomace. The solid remains after juice extraction. Commercially produced pectin is available in various forms, including powdered or liquid pectin, and may come in different strengths depending on its gelling properties. It's important to note that the properties and functionalities of pectin can vary depending on its source, extraction method, and processing conditions. Furthermore, individual sensitivities or allergies to pectin can occur, so it's advisable to check product labels or consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Overall, pectin is a versatile ingredient, with diverse applications in the food industry, and potential health benefits, when consumed as part of a balanced diet. Apple pectin is a type of soluble fiber found in apples and other fruits. It is a complex carbohydrate that forms a gel-like substance, when mixed with water. Pectin is commonly used in the food industry as a gelling agent and thickener, particularly in jams, jellies, and fruit preserves. It is also available as a dietary supplement and is known for its various health benefits. Benefits of apple pectin. Digestive health. Apple pectin acts as a prebiotic, promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. It can help improve digestion, alleviate constipation, and regulate bowel movements. Apple pectin is often used as a natural remedy for digestive issues. Many people claim that it can help soothe and heal gastrointestinal conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, diarrhea, and inflammation. Its ability to form a gel-like substance in the intestines may provide a protective coating, aiding in the healing process. Cholesterol management. Studies suggest that apple pectin can help lower LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, levels by binding to it in the digestive tract, preventing its absorption. Blood sugar control. Apple pectin may help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of glucose in the intestines. Weight management. Due to its fiber content, apple pectin can promote feelings of fullness and reduce calorie intake, potentially aiding in weight management. Detoxification. Pectin binds to heavy metals and toxins in the body, helping to eliminate them through the digestive system. Due to its ability to bind to heavy metals and toxins, apple pectin is believed by some to support detoxification. This property can be particularly beneficial for individuals exposed to environmental pollutants or those undergoing heavy metal chelation therapies. Gut microbiome. Apple pectin acts as a prebiotic, promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for overall well-being, and many people report improved digestive health and a stronger immune system after incorporating apple pectin into their routine. Immune support. Some studies suggest that apple pectin may have immune-boosting properties, supporting overall immune function. Allergies and immune support. Some individuals claim that apple pectin helps alleviate allergy symptoms by reducing inflammation and supporting immune function. While more research is needed, apple pectin immune-boosting potential may contribute to these reported benefits. Skin health. There is anecdotal evidence suggesting that apple pectin may benefit the skin when applied topically. It is believed to have moisturizing and soothing properties, making it potentially useful in skincare products for conditions such as dryness or irritation. While scientific research on the healing benefits of apple pectin is limited, there are individual experience reports and traditional use cases that suggest potential therapeutic effects. When discussing testimonials, it's important to note that individual experiences may vary, and personal anecdotes should not replace medical advice or scientific evidence. Apple pectin is generally considered safe for most people when consumed in moderation. However, some individuals may experience digestive discomfort, such as bloating or gas, especially when consumed in high amounts. If any adverse reactions occur, it is advisable to discontinue use and consult a healthcare professional. How to make apple pectin? While apple pectin is readily available as a commercial product, you can also make it at home using the following steps. Choose apples. Select apples that are rich in pectin, such as tart or green apples. Organic apples are preferable. Wash and chop. Thoroughly wash the apples and cut them into small pieces, including the skins and cores. Remove any bruised or damaged parts. Cook the apples. Place the apple pieces in a large pot and add enough water to cover them. Simmer on low heat until the apples are soft and mushy. Strain the mixture. Pour the cooked apple mixture into a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth placed over a large bowl. Allow the juice to drip through the strainer overnight. Extract the pectin. The liquid collected in the bowl contains the pectin. You can refrigerate it to separate the pectin, which will form a gel-like substance, from the remaining juice. Store or use. Store the extracted pectin in airtight containers, or use it immediately in recipes, or as a dietary supplement. How to use apple pectin? Apple pectin can be used in various ways. Cooking. Add apple pectin to recipes that require a gelling agent, such as jams, jellies, and fruit preserves, to improve texture and achieve a gel-like consistency. Dietary supplement. Apple pectin supplements are available in capsule or powder form. Follow the dosage instructions provided by the manufacturer. Smoothies and beverages. Incorporate apple pectin into smoothies, juices, or other beverages for added fiber content and potential health benefits. Food thickener. Use apple pectin as a natural thickener for soups, sauces, and gravies. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist before making significant dietary changes or adding any new supplements to your routine, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications.